Today I'm in the Lake District and I've got the brand new Panasonic LUMIX 24mm f1.8 lens for L-mount. Now we're actually up here on a completely different shoot, so keep an eye on our page for some stuff that's coming up, but I thought this would be the perfect time, as we've got this for a week or so, to get some really beautiful landscape shots. Now, as you can see behind me, things are a little bit moody. So I'm going to start off by telling you this is dust and splash resistant, which is a good job because I feel like it's probably not going to stay dry over the next few hours. It's pretty lightweight, this lens, very travel friendly for walking about with. I mean, realistically, I probably should be pairing it with an S5, which is like the perfect camera for a lens like this. But I'm greedy and asked Panasonic for an S1R, basically, because I like them. They're very nice to use. And if you want to show off the resolving power of a lens, there aren't many things better than an S1R for doing that. The front of the boat, a little bit of ripple in the water, and then you can just see the boats on the other side of the lake. And because of the way the hills are over there, I can give a nice dark line so that there's no sort of light line at the top interrupting the image. I don't know how that'll look in edit, but I kind of like it in real life. If I go that angle as well, I can give a bit more of a dark top to it. You got this like rust here and the purple buddleia, and then you've got some blue rope coming down. It's just a really cool, like natural set of colours. Not natural at all. The rope is not natural, and neither is the rusty bit of metal. But you know what I mean. Like, I even hate that line there. The way that line is not, it's not like off enough to make it a feature. It's not straight enough to make it a feature. It's just annoying. Maybe a better photographer would make something more of that with the white boats than I can, but I don't like it. Where we are now, unfortunately, you can't really get round anywhere. So I think we're going to try and find somewhere a little bit more interesting where you can see more of the sort of nature side of things. Because we've got some quite nice like streety shots here, which actually 24mm is perfect for. You feel like you're really in the image, but I think we're going to try and go and find somewhere that's a little bit more nature and see if we can get some of these big vistas that the Lake District has to offer. We were super lucky whilst in Cumbria to be able to shoot with photographer Amy Bateman. We tagged along to her event that you can find on our YouTube channel, and we just had the most spectacular views across her farm, some really beautiful light, and we even got to test the 24mm up close and personal with her bull, and we could just get some really nice characterful shots. But this 24mm, it isn't just for stills. Panasonic have made this really good for shooting video as well. They've helped to suppress the focus breathing so that your subject, the main part of the frame, should stay the same size if you do a focus pull. They've also made it so that once you've updated your LUMIX camera with the firmware update for this lens, you'll be able to set in the menu the type of focusing that you want using this ring. So you can set it that if you move it really, really quick or really, really slow, it will go to how slow and quick you're moving the ring. You move it quick, it moves through the focus range quick. You move it slowly, it moves through the focus range slowly. Or you can set it that it's completely uniform. Doesn't matter how fast or slow you do it, it will move through at a consistent rate. And I think that's really nice because it allows the creator to set up this lens how they want it to feel for them, which is a really nice thought by Panasonic. Now, obviously, we've got a few of these f1.8 lenses from them for the S series now, so you can use this to sort of build your range of lenses. And of course, 24mm, you think more landscape, which obviously is predominantly what we've been shooting. But I have to say, it was actually really nice to get up close and personal with that bull on Amy Bateman's farm. And you can get some really nice characterful images by getting a little bit closer with a wide angle lens. So I have to say, it's a good one to have in the bag, whether you shoot landscapes or not really. If you want to find out more about this new 24mm, we've got loads of information on the website for you. Pop a link in the description so you can check that out. Of course, you can also ask me a question as well. Pop a comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you with all the information that you could need. We're doing loads and loads of content at the moment, reviews and challenges and masterclasses on our YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe and click that little bell so you don't miss anything that's coming up, because it's getting to a very exciting time of the year. So there's going to be a lot going on that you don't want to miss. For now, a big thank you for watching, and I hope you join me again soon for some more videos from Wex Photo Video. But for now, after that drive back from Cumbria, I think it's time to get some sleep.